Kia ora! Welcome to the second lesson on where. Today, we're going to learn how to ask and answer the question, where was someone or something? To ask where was, the question starts with I, which indicates that we're talking about the past. Then we put the word hea, which means where. At the end, we put the thing we're asking about. Te kuri, for example, which means the dog. I hea te kuri. Where was the dog? To answer, we replace hea with the location. I hea te kuri. Where was the dog? I konei te kuri. The dog was here. I kona te kuri. The dog was there, close to you. I kora te kuri. The dog was there, away from you and me. Let's learn the words for a few locations. Waho, outside. Roto, inside. Runga, on. Raro, under. To specify outside, inside, on, or under what, we use the word I again. I waho I te whare means outside the house. I roto I te whare means inside the house. I runga I te tūru means on the seat. I raro I te tūru means under the seat. The location follows the first I, or K if we're talking about the present. But the order of the thing that we're searching for and the addition with the second I can interchange. Kei waho I te whare ngā kuri. Or, kei waho ngā kuri I te whare. The dogs are outside the house. I waho I te whare ngā kuri. Or, I waho ngā kuri I te whare. The dogs were outside the house. Tepu means table. I hea te ngeru. Where was the cat? I runga I te tepu te ngeru. Or, I runga te ngeru I te tepu. The cat was on the table. I hea te ngeru. Where was the cat? I raro I te tepu te ngeru. Or, I raro te ngeru I te tepu. The cat was under the table. Let's practice, while also learning some new words. Kākahu means clothing. Taniwha means monster. Moenga means bed. I hea ngā kākahu? Where were the clothes? I runga I te moenga ngā kākahu. Or, I runga ngā kākahu I te moenga. The clothes were on the bed. I hea te taniwha? Where was the monster? I raro I te moenga te taniwha. Or, I raro te taniwha I te moenga. The monster was under the bed. Whare means house. I hea ngā kākahu? Where were the clothes? I waho I te whare ngā kākahu? Or, I waho ngā kākahu I te whare? The clothes were outside the house. I hea te taniwha? Where was the monster? I roto I te whare te taniwha? Or, I roto te taniwha I te whare? The monster was inside the house. There you have it. Now you know how to say where something was. In the next lesson, we'll learn to negate these sentences and say where something isn't or wasn't. Ka kite!